How many clusters of strawberries can a pot produce? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Some of you may have seen a previous video I made with 2 pots of strawberries, and they are the same 2 pots. And this one with their runners hanging down, giving off that effortless beauty and elegance. So, do runners take away nutrients from fruit? Well, we're going to compare the 2 pots to see how many clusters of strawberries each pot produces. Okay, so let's start with one. This is the elegance pot. Okay, so there's one. As you can see, there are many strawberries. And this cluster, this is also a cluster. But for some reason it hasn't worked. Why has it not worked? I'm not sure. I guess they're allowed to have their little temperament every now and then. Let's move to the side. Okay, this is the second one. That's with fruit, healthy fruit. Third one. Fourth, with runners. This is the pedestrian view. They also get to see runners. Let's see if we can find a 5th cluster. There they are. Those beautiful strawberries. See, this variety tends to have many strawberries on a cluster, but the strawberries are relatively small. The fruit is intense and sweet. What about this pot? Let's have a look. Okay, there's 1 cluster. As you can see, the fruit is bigger, but fewer strawberries. 2, a small cluster. 3, it's a new one coming out. 4, 5, 6. So this pot has 6 clusters. And the other pot, we counted 5 with healthy fruit, 1 that's having a bit of tantrum. So to me, the amount of strawberries are about the same. Oh, we're getting a bit of sunshine rain. Oh, rain is coming down and the sun is also out. How beautiful. I wish everyone good luck. Watch out what's to come into your life tomorrow. Hopefully something happy. Okay, so what do you think? Are you happy with the amount of strawberries a small pot can produce? I know I am. Let me know what you think.